Hi, very good morning. Myself Balaji, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechatronics Engineering, SNS Project Technology. Okay, so today we gathered here to know about the design thinking, and then how we can improve the design thinking to our projects and then our syllabus topics. Okay, so today our topic is Gen A, which means generative AI. So we should know learn about the generative AI for our futures and for our projects. Okay, so we have to compare the Gen AI with our DT. So in DT we have a five kind of stages like empathy, define, ideate, prototype, test. Okay. So likewise, what are the things we have to compare the things to our Gen AI? You can share. Okay. So initially anyone can talk. Anyone who need to talk? Start with actually about the Gen AI. What the need actually? Why we need to use the Gen AI instead of other applications actually?
So generative AI is used to generate new content from the training data. It is used to generate images, text, music, video, and code, sir.
Okay. So what are the existing applications before we are using the generative AI? Like we are using Google and then we are using some of the specific application, you know. So what are the advantages while we comparing these kind of applications? What are the applications we have actually?
So it is first found in 1960, sir.
Yeah.
By Turing. It was performed a test called Turing. So in that time only he identified the machine from the intelligence comes from machine, and he identified Alan Turing. And then in 1970s the first chatbot was introduced, Eliza. And then the transformers gradually it is developed into artificial intelligence, transformers, deep learning, and then many models.
So what is the basic core of his AI? Do you people any know about the like, what is the basic core of the AI? How it's working actually?
You're using algorithms.
Algorithm, yeah, yeah. Other than any other things actually.
Existing models, and we can train with existing models with algorithms.
Okay, okay. So right now, how we can use it for the any kind of company application, industrial application? Is there any examples you have? So okay, how industry is using the AI for their applications? Do you have any specific AIs? Know the AI, specific AIs?
For the personal AI assistance,
Okay.
and lot of companies use it for the automations, like not for the human manual works, and it uses for the automations. That AI can replace the human works. It helps employees to work efficiently.
So right now people are using for generating images in Gemini. And what is the basic important thing while we using the AI? Like we should know about the prompt, you know. Is there any technical things behind in prompt? How to generate the prompt? Any technical things available actually?
There is a course called prompt engineering where we learn how to prompt to AI to get our correct outputs.
Okay, okay, okay. So, what is your opinion? In a final year, you guys are going to do the projects. Are you going to use any AI or else you are going to use any application-wise projects actually?
We use machine learning models.
Okay.
Machine learning models and neural networks, complex neural networks for the like not using the API, so it costs more for the AI, and we replaced it for the AI models and used for the applications like software, and sell it to the service.
So, what is the difference between AI and machine learning? Is there any different basic difference? What is the difference actually? Is there in the same domain or is there different domain actually?
AI is an umbrella term, sir.
Okay.
In that umbrella term, many topics fall under the umbrella term. For example, machine learning, deep learning, and then neural networks, transformers. We have many terms in that AI, sir.
What about machine learning actually?
So machine learning means we give few data sets, few huge data sets, sir. From the data sets, it learns the patterns, sir.
So,
using an algorithm, specific algorithm.
So for AI and machine learning, the basic thing we should concentrate about data actually. Okay, we should learn about data, and then we can easily know about the how we can use the AI and machine learning. Okay, that's the main thing actually. Okay, as I belong to mechatronics engineering, my students are using AI for the industrial applications, like to fetch the data, to control the machines, to control the all kind of automation applications. Right now, people are using in our industries. Okay, as like that in your companies you know, Google, and then in TNVGO, we have many kind of MNC like Zoho. Is there any specifically released any artificial intelligence, any AIs?
So like resume screening, they
Okay.
use if a employee upload their resume, the company can screen their resume and take out the text like using NLP, natural language processing.
Okay, thank you all. You all for we had a nice conversation. We'll meet again today. Thank you.
Thank you.